Hello friends, we are starting with a new series of videos on the DBMS. Let's begin with our very first tutorial. So let's get started. So this is a diagram illustrating the main phases of the database design. So we start with our choice of mini world. So what's a mini world? Mini world is a part of a world. So suppose I have to store some data for my company. Then some of the information I will store in my company database. So the part of information is getting stored in the database, and that's why my company database will depict my mini world. So there are mainly 4 phases in designing a database. This is my number 1 phase, the requirement collection and analysis. So the database designers collects the requirements from the future user who is going to use that database, and it is analyzed. Basically, there is an analysis phase also in this step, and concisely written for the future reference for our next phase. So this will be the reference for going into our next phase. So in parallel to this also, we are designing our application program. So in parallel to this, we are doing our functional analysis also. Okay, so next is the number 2. What is the conceptual design? This is the second phase of our database designing. So it is depicted using the entities, constraints and keys. The data requirements which are from phase number 1 is passed to this conceptual design. So basically at this point we design our conceptual schema using some high level data model, which is our ER diagram. Now the next we come to the logical designing. In logical designing, we implement our conceptual schema that we created at the phase 2 into the implemented form, that is using a specific data model of DBMS, such as relational or object relational database model. Then we come to the 4th phase. So in 4th phase, the created database file is getting stored on some of our system, and that is storage. The physical design is all about storing the database file and accessing it later on. So this will depict our physical schema. So I hope you guys understood this topic, and let me know your comments on this tutorial. Like, subscribe and share.